Hey everyone, it's the Rideshare Reseller Mike, that's me. And I thought I'd do a back of the car haul video just to show you what I got today. And today I did something a little bit different from my routine. I switched it up due to the fact that Savers, I'm actually behind Joanna's Fabrics, and Savers is right next door. This is where I get my boxes. If you guys take a look, there are all the boxes, and if you've watched my video on the box that I use for my electronics, they're all up there. So I am never out of boxes. I have every box available to me. It's just, I could pick them just daily right there. So that's a big plus for me. So Savers right now is running differently. They are opening up at 1 o'clock. I'm in California, so they're opening up at 1 o'clock with restrictions of about 40 if they keep their crew in there. And it's a pretty good sized store. So what they're doing is not opening till 1 o'clock, and all the employees are putting everything out that they can from basically 6 o'clock to 12 o'clock. That's what they're doing. So once you enter the store as a picker at 1 o'clock, you got maybe 15, 20 minutes to find what you need out of that Savers, and that's it, because you've got a bunch of pickers behind you. So I actually am in line for an hour every day to be number 1 or number 2 in there and hit it. And it's been a little slim right now. It's just donations have slowed down, etc. So today I did something different. So today was flea market day. So I started the flea market, then I worked the reverse, and I hit every Goodwill, and I mean I hit everything I could. I probably hit 13 stores today. And I didn't get a whole lot, but I got some very quality type stuff. And I'm going to show you that. And I'm also going to show you that most of it is from Amazon. So we'll take a look at that, and we'll put some screen grabs up to show you kind of what I'm going to get for some of these items, all right? So I'm going to flip this camera around, and we'll take a look. All right, there is everything. First off, you're going to know I got another car. And this one's just a Toyota Highlander, just enables me to get bigger items inside it. And I'm glad I really got this car. So anyhow, let's get right down to it. Let's start out with the flea market stuff. Right back here, we got a vintage type xylophone. And there's 2 of them. There's another one back there. They're both brand new, but this one's got the box. That one doesn't. And they're, I mean, I shouldn't say they're brand new. They are from a school. And they don't have the right hammers, I think, but doesn't matter. I paid $25 for both. All of the tuners are there, whatever you call those. They're all there. I just don't have them on there. This is a brand called Lions, and I will get about $100 each for each one of these once I get them together and take pictures of them. And good little find. I did pay basically $12.50 each, $25 for both. All right, we're gonna save a couple of good things for last. Let's go to just a bread and butter. I call this bread and butter. That's a DeMarini baseball bat. You can see I paid, I think that's $4.99 on there for you, or $5.99. $5.99 for the bat. That's a $60 bill all day long. DeMarini is probably the name you want in baseball bats. Really, really cool. All right, where else are we gonna go? Oh, I gotta swing around. We gotta swing around. All right, putter. This is the Seymour FGP. Interesting putter. All right, I paid $3 at the flea market, and it will get about roughly $50 for that. All right. All right, back over here. Let's go back. Where are we gonna go? Let's go right here. Okay, so now we're gonna roll into our Amazon a little bit. This guy, many of you have seen this. This is Miss Pac-Man. This is brand new, and I paid $5.99. This will be an Amazon item, and this is going to get me in the $50 range. Goes to Amazon, 50 bucks. All right. We'll talk a little bit more about Amazon as we go here. All right. Got this book Racolota, brand new. Got this at the flea market. It was $5. This will get me about 45. This should be 45 easy. Now, with the golf club came this head cover. And Odyssey 2-ball. I play Odyssey and I use a 2-ball. But I don't need this head cover. But what's interesting about this particular head cover, it's a good one. It's going to get me between $30 and $40. $30 and $40, and it came with that putter. So let's call it 30 just for kicks, and let's call the club 50. So there's 80 off my $3 investment. I'm going to do a video on golf clubs coming up to give you kind of an idea of what to look for and how to package them, that kind of thing. There'll be more videos. I'm going to be doing more, so I just wanted to give you a heads up. Look for this type of stuff. I know Kevin, Commonwealth Picker, he does a lot of this stuff, but some of them can be worth some good money. All right, let's go. We'll go down here. We'll go down here. So Savers was my last stop today. I came back in and I figured I wasn't going to find anything, and lo and behold, I did. And if you guys are passing these up, this is a Sanyo Beta Cord or a Betamax. I will put the comp up to show you what this little guy sells for. And that's what I paid. I made minus 20%, so it was 20% off of $12.99. That's a really, really good shape. I have a tape I always carry at home, Beta and VHS, obviously, to test these systems. Very easy to test them. You plug it in, a video out, audio out into a small TV that I have, and you can test them. If it works, I'm pretty sure this is going to work. It's really looking clean. $170. That's going to be 170 bucks. And as you know, I use those boxes with those. Let's go take a look. Come on, let's go up. I'm going to show you guys. If you haven't, some of you haven't seen the video, what I get is these. I use all of these, okay? And these are what I use to double wall, basically, all of my electronics and my bigger items. This has been the best find for me. You can just see, I've got every box available, every size. I mean, if I need to mail a picture out, matter of fact, I think I'll take this one. This is a good box for like flats. These are kind of hard to find and that kind of stuff. So I will take that one. All right, let's head back down. All right, put the box down. What did we not look at? All right, now we need to start discussing a little bit of Amazon here. We're gonna do these first. All right. Everybody who, you guys should know a certain genre of books. It's called manga, M-A-N-G-A. So manga, it's Japanese anime. There's a lot of them, a lot of different ones out there, okay? And some of them are worth very, very good money. This was a flea market purchase, these two books. I paid $2. All of them were $2. I'm going to put the screen grabs of these two from Amazon, what I'm going to get. I don't know which one is which, so right now, but I will put it up for each one. One of them is going to net me $167 profit. $167 profit. The other one is $70 in profit. So you see those screen grabs, okay? That's the power of Amazon. These on eBay won't get you nothing, but on Amazon, you'll score very, very good. These are in very, very good shape. So I will not have a problem selling those, period. Some of my past videos, I've talked about Sales Rank and eScore using Scout IQ. The app I use is Scout IQ, and that will tell you yes or no, basically. Pick up the book or don't pick up the book. All right. So look for manga books, and you know, if you're trying to get into Amazon, it's a good avenue to start. I do pay $39.95 a month for Amazon, and it's well worth it, folks. I'm telling you, it's amazing. I can do FBA, which is I'm going to ship these into Amazon, and Amazon will take care of all of that. All of the shipping, everything will be done. They will just send me electronic money once it's all said and done. So pretty amazing. And what you see on that app is my net. That's taking into account everything from fees to everything from Amazon. All right, now here's the other one. This is another one, guys. All right. This is the big score of the day. It is GateSmart lock. And this lock is Bluetooth, all of that, Wi-Fi, whatever. And up here is a camera. That's a camera on that thing. Now, it was at the Goodwill, so I looked at it and I said, wow, how much they want for it. So you want to see how much they wanted? So I bought it, obviously. There it is, $100, $99.79. Why did I buy it? I'm going to show you a comp from eBay, just eBay, because right now there is none on Amazon. I'll show you the high price on eBay that one of these sold for. Now I'm going to put this on Amazon, and this is going to get me around $500 to $600 just for this guy. It's brand new, sealed, and I'll put up the I'll try to put up the Amazon thing showing you that it's currently out of stock, that they don't know that it's available yet. That's because mine hasn't hit. Mine will hit, and this will sell quickly. The rank on this, the sales rank, is 6,247, I think. I think I'll show you that too so you can see it. That means to me, if you price it, it's gonna sell. So this is $500 to $600, easy, easy. And I paid $100. So sometimes you have to pay up to make good money. All right, let me just flip it around here. I'll be right back. All right, there you go, guys. I consider this a slow day, believe it or not. I did good money-wise, but you can see I didn't get a whole lot of stuff. I've been doing this, as most of you know. April will be 2 years. And in that 2 years, I've learned quite a bit. And one of the things I've learned is that you just don't buy everything. You just have to really be focused. And I'm laser focused on many things. Sometimes I drift, you know, that's natural. But most of the time, I'm extremely focused on what I call the home run items. I'm looking for home runs, and I'm looking for good, what I call filler. I hate to say that word, but 20s, 5s, 35s, 45s, 55s, good quality on those. I don't need those to sit around. I do have quite a few items in my store, but that's probably mostly due to my early days of picking. This spring, I'm going to have a garage sale and clear out a lot of that stuff. So again, you can see the power of both Amazon and eBay. The beta machine goes on eBay, the bat goes on eBay, and then the other things go on Amazon. And Amazon is just so powerful, so powerful. I wish I could find more stuff. And here's a rule that I use. I am by no means anywhere near any of these Amazon guys, period. I don't want to be like them. I'm too old for this at this point. And I basically just find new items. If it's new, it's going on Amazon if I can put it on there. I scan it, I check it, and put it on Amazon. I ship every 2 weeks on Amazon, and that keeps me with a nice flow. If you've heard me talk about it. I make anywhere from about $1,500 to $2,000 a month net. That's take home after everything's done with Amazon. So it's kind of a secondary source, but it is really can be. Sometimes you can get into a streak with Amazon and make really, really good money. So anyhow, hey, a back of the car video for you. I'm gonna do more, I promise, and hopefully we'll get more viewers and all that kind of subscribers, and we'll spread the word. So hey, all you viewers out there, thank you, and I will see you next time.